Hey y'all, it's me, Robin, and if you clicked on this video, it's probably because you're looking for a last minute gift idea for your wife, girlfriend, sister, neighbor, co-worker, or maybe even a gift for yourself. If you like candles, and I know I do, then you're going to love this last minute gift idea that I have to show you today. I want to thank Innoplus for sending me this beautiful candle warmer lamp. So keep watching and let me tell you all about it. The first thing that I love about this lamp is the way that it came packaged. It's already in a beautiful gift box that you could just put a bow on, add a candle with it, and you have the perfect gift. I also love that it has this beautiful glass vintage style lampshade, if you will, and it's very sturdy. It's lightweight without being flimsy, which I also love. It comes with a wood base that measures approximately an inch in height, and they've also included two 50-watt G10 halogen bulbs that provide top-down heat melting technology to melt your candles or your candle wax melts, whichever you choose. So, the first thing you're going to want to do to get started is take one of the bulbs, insert it into the lampshade, turn it once clockwise, and you are good to go. One of the features that I love about this candle warmer lamp is the ability to adjust the height so that it will accommodate most jar candles like your Yankee candles, Bath and Body Works candles, 3-wick candles, aromatherapy, etc. The other great feature that I love about this is the switch that's attached to the cord. So there's no more lost remotes. It features 4 levels of brightness. So you can actually control the melting speed of the candle. Just by simply pressing the plus or the minus sign, you can control the intensity. It also comes with a built-in timer that you can set for either 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. So if you use aromatherapy candles, this would be perfect for your bedroom. You could set it for, say, 2 hours to help you go to sleep. When that 2 hours is up, the lamp automatically shuts itself off. So, no risk to pets or children from an open flame. I love this feature of the timer. This is how much wax had melted after about 2 to 3 minutes of me just playing around with adjusting the height, with playing around with the intensity buttons. And as you see there, I don't have the lamp directly down on top of the candle. I love the glow that this lamp gives, whether the lights are on, like you see here, or with them off. I just love the glow that this lamp gives off. Our living room is where I spend most of my time, so I moved the candle warmer lamp in there to my entertainment center, and I can just imagine sitting here in my chair on a winter night and this candle going and glowing and just giving off all those cozy vibes that we all crave during the winter months. Y'all, I love this candle warmer lamp. Be sure to check out my description box where you will find a link where you can order your own or give as Christmas gifts. This would make a perfect Christmas gift, anniversary gift, birthday gift. You could think ahead to Mother's Day. This is a great, great product. You know, I wouldn't recommend a product to y'all if I didn't personally love it. So be sure to check out my description box below for the ordering link. And once again, thank you, Innoplus, for sending me this great candle warmer lamp. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope I've given you a great idea for someone you might have forgotten on your Christmas list. And don't worry, I'll have another DIY craft video coming at you soon. So until then, bye.